beyond that, we have a family around the world. You know, I can always reach out to someone from the community, and, you know, I'll never be turned away. That's how I feel. And so no one would ever be turned away from me. What is it if we don't have the people around us? They're the ones that bring all the joy, and they're the ones that help you create these ridiculous memories. So yeah, all the beautiful, hilarious, delirious moments that come with, you know, dancing with your family.
Oh my God, I'm dead. I'm dead. Well done. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Thank you. I have no idea if any of those are right. It's like, if they're live, are they live? Live.